Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into building. 6 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Production. Which means the action of making or manufacturing from components or raw materials, or the process of being so manufactured. Production. For example, banning the production of chemical weapons. Number 2. Establishment. Which means the action of establishing something or being established. Establishment. For example, the establishment of an independent government. Number 3. Assembly. Which means the action of fitting together the component parts of a machine or other object. Assembly. For example, a car assembly plant. Number 4. Fabrication. Which means the action or process of manufacturing or inventing something. Fabrication. For example, the lintels are galvanized after fabrication. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. It is now the time to hit the subscribe button.